The NASCAR world is reacting, and Kenny Wallace didn't hold back. After Steve Phelps announced his resignation, Wallace said NASCAR had no choice but to let him go if the sport wanted to move forward. NASCAR needed to repair itself, Wallace said, pointing directly to the leaked texts involving Richard Childress as the breaking point. According to Wallace, once those messages became public, the damage was done. He believes this decision clears the way for stability, with Jim France and the France family taking back tighter control of NASCAR. Wallace called it the only move NASCAR could make, and says it's finally time for the sport to heal heading into 2026.